Hey there! In this video, we are going to make a miniature rotational fan. To make the fan, we'll need evive, corrugated sheets, dual shaft motor, servo motor and some ice cream sticks. Before doing anything else, let's set the servo angle. Connect the servo motor to the S2 channel. Then from the menu, select Controls, then Servos, then Servo 2. Using potentiometer 2, set the servo angle to 90 degrees. Now let's move on to the assembly of the fan. First, glue the servo to the corrugated sheet. It will act as the base for our fan. Then cut out 2 circles from the second corrugated sheet, one slightly bigger than the other. Next, take a servo horn and fix it to the larger circle using servo screws. Then, attach the dual shaft motor on top of the servo horn assembly using hot glue. Now, let's make the blade assembly. For making the blades, we are going to use ice cream sticks. Cut 4 pieces of equal size using a scissor. Next, take a smaller circle and glue the blades to it using hot glue. Make sure that they are tilted. Now that the blades are ready, attach them to the shaft of the dual shaft motor as shown. With this, our fan is ready. Fix the entire assembly to the servo by attaching the servo horn to the servo head. Now we need to make the connections. Connect the dual shaft motor to the M1 channel. Connect the servo motor to the S2 channel. Once the connections are done, write the script in PictoBlox and upload it to evive. The program will start executing as soon as evive starts up. The dual shaft motor will rotate the blades of the fan and the servo motor will cause the fan to rotate. Hey guys! If you like this video, share it with your friends and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let us know what you'd like us to make next in the comment section below. And for more such interesting projects, subscribe to STEMpedia and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. See you soon!